What's up, everybody? I'm excited to walk you through two of Harley-Davidson's most iconic touring bikes, the 2026 Road Glide and the Street Glide. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. Let's start with the fairings. The Road Glide features a bold take on the classic shark nose fairing, aggressive and tailored, giving it a powerful stance. Meanwhile, the Street Glide sports a modernized version of the iconic batwing fairing with fast overall form. The fairing and windshield shapes, in combination with adjustable air deflectors, provide outstanding aero comfort. Both designs are not just about looks, they're engineered for comfort and aerodynamics. Up front, you'll also notice the signature LED lighting. The Road Glide has a distinctive W shape, while the Street Glide features an Omega design. These ain't just stylish, they make your bike instantly recognizable on the road and enhance visibility, ensuring other drivers see you and that your path ahead is brilliantly illuminated for night rides and any weather. Now feast your eyes on the cast aluminum wheels, an impressive 19-inch front and 18-inch rear that projects head-turning style. These wheels don't just roll, they command attention at every stoplight and carve through the curves with confidence. New paint colors for 2026 give you that custom design right from the factory. Colors include blood orange, purple abyss, aurora blue denim, olive steel metallic, vivid black two-tone, and teal thunder vivid black two-tone. And you've got two trim options for these models, chrome or blacked out finishes to match your personal style. Both models feature the Milwaukee 8 117 powertrain, which offers 105 horsepower and 130 foot-pounds of torque. The cooling system uses liquid-cooled cylinder heads and a temperature-controlled radiator fan that directs heat away from the rider, perfect for hot days or slow traffic. Plus, the bikes are lighter from previous designs, 18 pounds less for the Street Glide and 16 pounds less for the Road Glide. The Showa rear suspension provides 3 inches of rear travel, giving the rider more comfort during trips in town and around the country. Quick preload adjustments can be made using the hydraulic preload adjuster to accommodate up to an additional 100 pounds of cargo, allowing riders to spend less time adjusting suspension and more time riding. Listen, if comfort is a priority, the Road Glide handlebar features a wide flat bend with 27 degrees of adjustability, while both models feature a seat that helps rotate your hips into a neutral position, reducing fatigue on long rides, and the brake lever is adjustable to dial in the perfect fit. Now for the tech. Both bikes run on the Skyline operating system, connecting you to infotainment, ride modes, audio, Apple CarPlay, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The TFT touchscreen offers 12.3 inches of screen area. Embedded navigation lets you plan routes and get real-time traffic and weather updates right on the display. Sold as an accessory for domestic models and factory-equipped on non-domestic models. Rider safety enhancements that utilize the latest chassis control, electronic brake control, and powertrain technology. These are designed to match motorcycle performance to available traction during acceleration, deceleration, and braking, especially helpful in adverse road conditions or unexpected situations. Whether you're cruising back roads or navigating city traffic, these systems work behind the scenes to give you more confidence on the road. So whether you're drawn to the aggressive stance of the Road Glide or the iconic silhouette of the Street Glide, both offer cutting-edge performance, comfort, and style. Ready to take one for a test ride or explore customization options? Visit your local Harley-Davidson dealer.